The secret to losing weight without exercise, expert tips and advice. The secret to losing weight without exercise. While regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, there are other factors that can contribute significantly to weight loss. In this video, set realistic goals, only of the crucial aspects of losing weight without exercise is setting realistic goals. Understand that significant weight loss doesn't happen overnight. Aim for a gradual and sustainable approach, targeting about 1 to 2 pounds of weight loss per week. This allows your body to adjust and promotes long-term success. Adopt a balanced diet, the foundation of weight loss. Without exercise lies in adopting a balanced and healthy diet. Minerals and fiber include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive snacking. Significant difference in your weight loss journey. Slow down and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone, as it can lead to overeating. Savor each bite, chew thoroughly, and listen to your body's signals. Portion control. Portion control plays a vital role in weight management. Be mindful of the serving sizes of different foods and try not to indulge in oversized portions. Use smaller plates and bowls to create an illusion of a fuller plate. Remember, it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full, so eat slowly and give your body time to signal satiety. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is essential for weight loss. Water helps to boost your metabolism, curb appetite, and flush out toxins from the body. Replace sugary drinks with water and aim to drink at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces per day. Get sufficient sleep. Believe it or not, sleep plays a significant role in weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormone balance, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight loss efforts. Manage stress levels. Stress can contribute to weight gain and hinder weight loss progress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Prioritize self-care and ensure you make time for relaxation. Conclusion: losing weight without exercise is possible by adopting healthy habits and making smart lifestyle choices. Remember to set realistic goals, focus on a balanced diet, practice mindful eating, control portion sizes, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and manage stress levels. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. For more, check the link in bio.